The judge has ordered Jane Doe in the Diddy case. Remember the 17-year-old girl victim? The judge has ordered her to reveal her identity. Now, I'm not sure how I feel about this case as far as revealing her identity and who she is. So, cousins, I need y'all to comment below and tell me what you think about the judge ordering this victim to reveal her identity. Some people is thinking it's somebody we know, and this person is really, 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 really out there. So if she reveals her identity, we're all gonna be like, "Child, we already knew." She just want to swoop in, not revealing her identity, and get $30 million. So what do you guys think? Do you know who it is? Do you know who you think it is? And what do you think about the judge ordering her to reveal her identity? I'm not sure how I feel, but happy Friday, my beloved cousins. I absolutely love you. I adore you. Comment below. Let me know what you think. This article is by Music Times. Diddy Accuser order to reveal her identity in SA case. Now, let me give you a quick summary if you don't remember who this victim is. So allegedly, this girl, 17 years old, sneaked out the house, was in a nightclub. No, I'm putting the story together in my head. As a 17-year-old in a nightclub for adults, that means you sneaked out the house. You should have been home studying for your SATs or getting ready for college, talking to your friends. No, she sneaked out. She had a fake ID. Went in an adult club with a fake ID. Met this man who tells her he's connected to Diddy. They goes in the bathroom and she slobbed him off. She said he assaulted her in the bathroom, right? The next day, she gets on a plane with this stranger that she said assaulted her in the bathroom. She slobbed this stranger off on the plane. You following the story? She didn't get off the plane. She didn't call her mama. She didn't tell her mama. She slobbed this stranger man off on the plane, okay? So she met the stranger man in the nightclub, went in the bathroom, do what she did. She said he abused her. She got on the plane, slobbed him off. She said that was assault too. She goes to Diddy, to New York. This 17-year-old girl now on the plane, flying across the country with a strange man she just met. Took pictures with Diddy and slobbed them off, and she said they assaulted her. She's sitting on his legs here. I covered that up part up. Pictures with him in the club, all of this stuff. And then she gets back on the plane and she goes home. 30 years later, or however long later, Cassie comes out with her case and she said, "Oh, I was assaulted too, and I won $30 million too." And so she's been trying to do this without being revealed. And Diddy and his attorneys fighting like, "Nah, you need to reveal yourself. You're lying. That is not what happened." And so she's been fighting. Her lawyer's been fighting with the court to say, "I don't want to reveal myself." Well, the judge just ruled that she must reveal her identity. I'm just not sure. I'm not sure how I feel about this. I'm not sure. So if she decides to continue with this case, then she has to reveal herself, and I guess everybody will know who she is. People are saying they think they know it is, and this person is out here getting male liquid sprayed in their faces and stuff like that. And this person is out there. She's out there. So I don't know who it is. But when it first came out, it's apparently this person may be a newscaster. Do y'all remember that? They say, "Oh, it could be a newscaster, and this would really kind of mess up her life." And so I don't know. So comment below. So let me just read this article really quick, and then you will tell me what you think about this. So it says here, a federal judge has ruled that a woman who accused Diddy and two associates of SA-ing her in 2003 must proceed with her lawsuit under her real name. Okay? Under her real name. The woman previously identified as Jane Doe filed her case in December 2023, alleging that the assault occurred at Diddy's New York recording studio when she was 17 years old. Doe's lawsuit, which also names former Bad Boy record executive Harvey Peer and an unidentified third individual, claims that the assault happened after she was flown out on a private jet to New York City. The lawsuit was filed under New York City's victim of gender-motivated violence. Where was your mama, ma'am? That's the part that kind of bothered me about this. A 17-year-old girl sneaked out her house with a fake ID in a nightclub that she shouldn't have been, get on a plane and flew across the country. Where was her mother? Can somebody answer that? Where was this girl's mother or guardian family member? Who was the adult in your life that you can get on a plane and fly across the country and nobody? The legal team for Diddy, the hip-hop mogul, otherwise known as Sean Combs, has sought to dismiss the case, arguing that the VGMB was invalidated by the expiration of other statewide laws, such as the Civil Victims Act, which ended in 2021. But in her new decision, as reported by Rolling Stone this week, the U.S. District Judge Jessica So-and-so rejected Combs' challenge and allowed the case to move forward under the VGMLB law. However, the judge ordered that Doe must reveal her true identity to continue the litigation and dismissed corporate defendants Daddy's House, Combs' Manhattan Studio, and Bad Boy Records from the case. Right, because they didn't do anything to you, allegedly. While requiring Doe to disclose her identity, the ruling is seen as a largely positive outcome for the plaintiff. It may also set a precedent for other similar lawsuits filed under the same legal provision. Combs currently faces about 20 lawsuits alleging various forms of misconduct. The handling of those cases could influence how courts approach anonymity in these cases. Last month, another judge ordered accuser Candice McCrae to reveal her name in her lawsuit against Combs, which alleges a 2004 assault. Neither representative for Combs nor Doe's attorney, Douglas Enmerd, have commented publicly on the ruling. Doe's allegations, detailed in her December 2023 filing, claim that Pierre approached her at a Detroit area lounge, somewhere you shouldn't have been because you're 17. You should be home studying for your SATs, or you at home talking to your girlfriends, getting ready to go pack to go to college, claiming that Combs was interested in meeting her. That night, she alleges she was flown to New Jersey and then taken to Daddy's house studio in Manhattan. Okay, so I said the next day. That night, after she slobbed him off in the bathroom, slobbed this guy off on the plane, she goes to New York. Once there, she was given a large amount of drugs and alcohol, causing her to lose consciousness. The lawsuit alleged that Combs, Pierre, and another man assaulted her while she drifted in and out of awareness, later waking up on the floor in pain. She claims she was flown back to Detroit afterward with her underwear missing. Combs has strongly denied the allegations, called them baseless in a public statement issued after the lawsuit was filed. Enough is enough, he said. For the last couple of weeks, I have said silently, sir, we don't believe you innocent. We believe you assaulted these victims. So we don't want to hear talk about you innocent. He added, sickening allegations having been made against me. No, it's not. Sir, we saw the videos. We saw the video of you assaulting Cassie. So we supposed to believe you that you didn't assault anybody else? We don't believe you, sir. We don't believe you. Use a predator, Sean Combs. Use a predator, and this is what you do. You predatorize people. So tell me how y'all feel about this, y'all. I just don't know how I feel. I'm in the middle about revealing. If you're going to accuse of somebody, then they have a right to face you in court. So I don't know how I feel about it. Okay. Comment below. Let me know what you think. I absolutely love you. Thank you for those of you showing me love and picking up my books. I'm seeing those numbers are coming in. I appreciate the love and the support. Thank you so much. I want to have a surprise for y'all later, but I'm not sure. All right, comment below. Come on back. I have another video about Denzel Washington, child. I cannot believe what they're saying about Denzel. Love you. Talk to you later. Bye.